Sexual violence remains high across Africa. While progress is being made to address and prevent traumatic experiences, there are calls for changes in the judicial systems to improve the legal process. As an advocate in Kenya's High Court, Kanga Rasi studied the law on sexual violence against children. She says most victims are not aware of the laws meant to protect them.
Because as lawmakers, we know the rights, we know what the laws entail, but now for the community, most of the people are not aware about the laws. So when it comes to implementation, it becomes so hard. The sensitization hasn't really been done in terms of what laws apply where, which laws are going to cover certain areas. So that has been a big issue.
Along with her court advocacy, Rasi works through the Brave Movement, a worldwide collective to end childhood sexual violence. She leads community seminars educating people on their rights within Kenya's legal framework.
And you're speaking with the community to find out what is happening, what are the current laws that you currently know, what are the issues which are on the ground, and that you really are, what are the current issues that you're facing on the ground, and how can we assist you.
Rasi says change is happening, but it has been slow.
Law in Kenya, around the legal work, a lot has really happened. And a huge one was the Children Act. And the Children Act 2022 was passed recently, and it has now incorporated some of the nuances that the 2001 Children Act didn't have. Recently, we've also had one of our judges, the Chief Justice, launching the sexual-based gender violence courts, which came up as a policy that emanated from one of our laws.
Kenya's Chief Justice, Martha Koome, created additional courts throughout the country, providing resources so survivors can find justice faster than they would in a normal court.
My specific reason is sexual violence. It's a personal, for me, it's more of a personal attack. And even more so when you're attacking children, people who do not have an avenue to per se speak, or they're just in their process of learning new things. So there's that aspect of dignity, there's the aspect of shame, and you are also curtailing what they would have been.
Through her work with the Brave Initiative, Rasi hopes to inspire more survivor-centered conversations around gender and sexual-based violence in Kenya and throughout Africa. Anthony LaBruto, VOA News, Washington.